Alright, so now is as good a time as any to give you the grand tour, first grand tour of Invicta's Avion, 1973 LaGrand. So first I'm going to do a little outside walk around. I'm just today starting to do the cabinet, not refinishing, but I'm putting this thing called like Restore a Finish on it. So you'll see that in a bit. But that is my beauty from the outside. There we go. You see that? Ta-da! Has an awning. I'm not sure if it works yet. You ready for this? Okay. Oh yeah! That's cool. Never mind this junk. That's for the windows. Pillow. Alright. Got Christmas lights. I'm gonna put like, reupholster this. Put some pillows, blanket. It's like a second bed. There we go. Got Christmas lights, tons of storage up there. You can't tell, but inside here there's lights that come on. I'll do like a nighttime video too that shows that. I'm gonna get rid of this carpet. I'm gonna put some like wood looking vinyl in it. Welcome to my kitchen. I have no idea how I'm gonna cook in this thing, but I'm gonna figure that part out. So I got a kitchen, got a little stove, got a little kitchen window. You can stare at people. They can stare at me trying to cook in this thing. Cabinets. I really like the details on these. Here. Got my little teeny tiny fridge. This thing's a freaking joke. I don't know what we're gonna do about this. We're gonna fix it though. Might be able to get a fridge that goes from the bottom all the way to the top-ish. Or get rid of that and like have the whole thing be a fridge. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Microwave, cabinets. As you can see, they're already still kind of shiny, but they're really like dry. This thing was sitting in Arizona, and so it's like needs some help. But got some twin beds. Have this funky little, what do you call this? I don't know. It's not a headboard. It's not by the head, but whatever. You have reflections, and looks like it goes on forever because there's these funky little 70s mirrors with this crackle stuff on it. I don't know. Some people think it's hideous. I think it's slightly adorable. And me in my little work mode. And the bathroom that I'm currently working on. It's got this hideous avocado green shower. Like old avocado. I'm gonna paint it. Looks kind of stupid right now. Gonna get a new shower head because currently I can take like a 5-minute shower, which absolutely does not work for me at all. So, got some lights, got more of me again, and then more of me again, and then this is the stuff I'm using. Shouldn't get it on my fingers, but where is that? Yeah, golden oak. So really good stuff. And see what it does. Dun dun dun. Before and frickin' after. Before. After. Before. After. Yeah! Look at the depth of that. Woo-wee. Yes, I'm getting excited about veneer. But that's fine. Whatevs. So I'm going to do that. Got this whole setup. Got my little toilet. And I'm going to paint the walls maybe. I'll keep them light. that's about it. There's not a whole lot going on right now. Got these little curtains. You'll see it when it's cool. It's not cool yet, but it's on its way. So, that is the grand tour for now. The before.